Cheers. Did I say I'm happy to be home? I'm happy to be in Jamaica, where I belong. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Morning, guys. What's poppin'? Today is, well, it's your girl Janet. You know that already. Today is Saturday, and if you see my house is a shambles. I'm officially off work for 7 weeks, and my house is a shambles because I'm deep cleaning from head to bottom. Why? It's because I'm going on vacation. I'm going to my motherland. I'm going to Jamaica. And I did all the preparation off camera because you know when you're vlogging and doing, it takes a little bit of time. And I'm not up for that. I was supposed to do my nails today, but my nail lady Susie called me last night. So I got fresh nails. Well, I haven't done my nails in ages because of work. I've got fresh nails and my toes, if I can show them, to match, which is good. And let me show you, I've packed already. I've done everything. I've literally packed my suitcase. So, can you see? Ta-da! There's my luggage. My branded luggage with my initials. Ta-da! That is it. So I've got washing to do, I've got cleaning to do, I've got wiping down to do, I've got drying clothes, putting clothes away, because I'm leaving this house spick, as they said, and span, because I know when I come back I have to do it all over again. But I don't mind because it's for my family and I'm going to see my mama. Anyway, stick and stay and follow me on my vacation.
The next day.
Hi guys, I've literally made it. I'm at the airport and I'm going to Jamaica, so come along with me. Listen, the airport is so busy today, but you know what, I know why, because Cluely is just closed, so everyone is doing the same thing. But this is me. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica. Hi guys, what's poppin'? So I finally made it home. So I just come home. It's like 8:24. I've been traveling from I left England about 10 o'clock. Yeah, and I reached, my flight was like 8-hour flight. So I'm in Jamaica same day. As you know, Jamaica is behind time with the timing, so same day. Right now I'm exhausted. I haven't slept. Well, the plain food gave me upset stomach and diarrhea on the plane. So right now I'm parched, I'm hungry. My brother has got food for me, so I'm gonna eat some food, have a nice bath and settle down. I'm not gonna empty my suitcase tonight because this girl is tired. But trust me, it's so weird coming home and my father is not greeting me. But what can I do? I'm gonna check him tomorrow though. I've got to see his resting place and say, what's up dad, I'm here, I miss you boy, and I love you, and keep watching over your girl. Anyway, and this is my travel vlog, and I'll check with you in the morning and show you a little bit, and then that is it. I didn't even vlog the airport a lot, but it is what it is. And I see I'm gonna connect to some Wi-Fi in a minute to upload some things, but I need to go up my mama's yard. She's at church anyway, but I'm going up my mom's house. So see ya. That's my dinner. Jerk fish, dumpling, banana, yam, and some juice on the floor. This is country style. Country style. Her name? You know, I got the begin Wednesday. Oh, me have video.
Tomorrow, I food delivery tomorrow.
Tomorrow, no way. Tomorrow, Tuesday. No go. You boy waiting there, Crush?
I'm not tomorrow.
Wednesday.
Hold on, don't me here, sir. show for them.
No, sorry, next week.
Oh, so you don't think it's the
It's a
No.
No.
And next week I'm a bury the 1st of August.
That year, I mean, it's something was, with the schedule, and something. What's that thing? I said to
She
my
also
mom.
had a death in her
Oh.
family side.
No, Roshan is laughing at my mom was laughing. You know what that one? You have to see a baby movement.
So neat.
You good man.
Let me show you one picture with my phone.
Mommy show me the thing.
You look like Netty.
I see it. Mommy, I say, you say, you look like the face part.
You don't think you look like you stand up?
The face part, and you have a bright eye, they like me. You know what you feel like too. Mommy, I say, look there.
Let me tell Omar say, yeah. Never picture
Yeah,
there.
I'm just
Mm.
I look like you too.
So I've just been trying to show up for my friends. I
Yeah,
was trying
Mom
to
said more
process the
about
death because,
you,
you know, I knew Ron's dad, and he was a great guy, very helpful.
The girl again.
When I had my parts then, Ron father was the one that came to the girls to help me go to assist me getting my documents from the police, and it was so much, and his dad took care of everything for me, so I will never forget how he handled that for me, and just made me feel reassured that he had my back. I was going to handle this, etc., because I had no idea what was going on.
Guys, I'm so hungry. I'm just whopping up. And you know what, fish head? But you know what?
Just sending love to all my friends.
Beggars have no choice.
I'm just trying to show for them, but I'm back.
Because
That's when I said my funeral prayers that
I'm so hungry.
I see that she tell me there real quick. Good morning. Yes. I'm good. Good.
Look,
Where's the
I took this off the plate. Like there,
outside of you? Okay.
some miniature
Is your family? I just saw your family.
alcohol.
Oh, feels like
I got more too. Another one.
So yes, guys, I have.
Another one.
Will that help you?
Another two.
So yes, somebody Jody.
Listen, me I forget my money's worth. Another one. Think it's too expensive. I think that's about it. I can't carry it. Go. When I'm going out to the grave digging and stuff, I just take my alky. I'm so hungry and I'm so tired. But welcome to Jamaica. Ooh, look how the skin gonna be glowing. Cause I'm back home, baby. Where I belong.
It's a lot. And until you're in that position, and you know, as much as they may not have the words right now, I know, you know, death is not anything easy. And you never want to see any friend or family.
And yeah, well, my brother tidied up this house. But as I can see, it needs a little bit of painting. But in due time, because they said Rome wasn't built a day. It wasn't built a day, baby. My mom is at church. I guess she can't wait to come to see the high. But I'm here watching some YouTube and eating my dinner. Anybody dinner, this is sorry for them, because I should have stopped and buy some jerk chicken, but I don't have any Jamaican currency and my driver is a bit tight. My uncle didn't want to spend his money, but it is right here.
Muchas historias obviamente emocionantes que te ponen la piel de gallina. Admiración absoluta por mujeres, ¿no?
But please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna finish my dinner and I'm gonna see you later or in the morning. It all depends. Mwah. So guys, have you seen, I've eaten and I've had a shower. Tomorrow I'll show you how we do the country style shower. I was too tired to show you today, but it's an ongoing thing. It's different, and sometimes different is good. But I didn't vlog most of the airport. The airport was packed, but my experience was amazing. My two suitcase, they was overly packed. They was overweight, and luckily I got a good what do you call them? A good guy. The word can't come to me at the moment, but the guy that checked me in was so good. The first one, he said, "Oh, it was a joke. We were allowed 23 kilograms, and the first one went what 25." He said he was gonna allow me that, but the second piece, oh my God, it went to, I think 28. He said, I'm not looking," but he let me through, which by the grace of God, because some people, they had to take out their things and I didn't have to do that, which I'm so happy about. And then when I came to Kingston, they sent me to, I don't know why they did this, because I don't have anything to declare, but because I had two suitcases, they sent me to the declare line. But what I noticed is that when all majority of the people, when they have two suitcases, they send them to the declare line, and people who have one suitcase, they send them to the non-declare line. That's the green zone. And I went to the red zone, but the girl, she just asked me how much, what was in my suitcase, how much did I pay for it, if I've got any laptops and stuff like that, alcohol. I answered all her questions, and then she said, okay. Went outside, got my ride, and then I came home, which was not too bad. It's just that I couldn't sleep on the plane. My tummy was killing me with the food. It wasn't eating through. It was a nightmare. I couldn't sleep. But thank God I'm home. I'm going to close off this vlog and then start a new vlog tomorrow, which I show you how I do my days. I'm going to try and vlog daily. I don't know how it's going to work, but anyhow, thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe. What am I saying? Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you. See you in the next vlog.